Hello everyone, working on a Mercedes 2012 G350, and we're having a timing chain slap on startup. Have the cover removed, and as you can see, the chain, how loose it is, no tension. It's still installed, and that's how much play there is on the chain. That's your noise of loud rattling on startup for like 10 seconds or so, then goes away. So you rotate it around. Tightens up, it's no longer loose. It's loose on that side still. The tensioner is not doing nothing. It's not holding oil pressure like it should when you shut the vehicle off, allowing the timing chain to become loose. It's also a good idea when you guys service that to make sure you don't find no pieces of the guides in the oil or anything like that. So when you do the oil change, check and see the plastic pieces that come from those guides down in there. Yep, that's just a quick check on the timing chain tensioner. Mercedes Gl350 diesel and V6 engine. Thanks.